Up! So yes. Oh no.
Who we started? Ian?
Yeah, you started a full.
Ian? Yes, but you plug me in.
I did not even say that.
Oh, you don't even have a real camera.
We don't have the budget.
Nice DJ!
Hey, he's left-handed.
Oliver, you don't have this. This isn't you.
Are you kidding me?
I'm in
You don't have full rotation?
You're a freshman.
Oh, I did.
Lefty. Daniel, you had that. Or you're Oliver, hey, it was calculated. That was pretty good. Thank you. Yeah, not good enough though. I don't know.
Gio, get out of the camera.
Sorry, camera.
Nicholas. Thomas.
Great cut, David.
Will.
Help him out, help him out, help him out.
Yeah. Ellie, go! Go deep, Ellie!
Yeah. Stretch him out. Ellie, all the way.
Keep going, keep going. Now come back, come back.
Hard it. On me. Now hard out.
Like I said before, think for the budget.
Stack with me.
You got us this 3-star hotel.
Ooh.
Away. David, you're hot. Up.
Yes, Jake.
He's washed.
Okay. Yeah, I was definitely filming that, unfortunately. Oh no, the file.
Is there audio in this?
The file got corrupted.
Yeah, Daniel, you're dog shit. Respectfully.
Leave it in.
Leave that in.
Leave that
Can you
in.
send that to me actually?
Yeah.
I'll make a montage.
Ben, if you can hear me, leave that shit in.
You remember that? You don't want to give him motivation.
Oh!
Oh yeah, baby.
The clip of the heel.
That
That was so loud.
That was a thud.
Yeah, Marianne! Perfect! Less than perfect.
Shut up!
Ellie,
You're on hard.
It's warm again.
Daniel, drop incoming.
Oh dear.
And it.
Break side.
No.
Oh. I don't know his name, so I can't call him. Colin. Yeah, Colin.
What the hell's going on right now?
I think you guys know I'm also joking.
I'll wash.
I just came over to heckle.
I think it's better.
No, them. No, I'm fine.
Yeah, we don't like you.
Trying to preserve what I can.
So because I'm colonial.
For that point, I'm gonna play.
Yeah, did you guys get that?
Who's this green? Oh, does that feel you? The green team. Does that feel you?
Yeah.
Hey, help him out.
I just don't recognize their jerseys.
You're out.
They're different than they were 2 weeks ago.
Nice. David, you got him. You can go.
Nice, David. Right.
This out.
It's coming in. Leave it.
Oh, so you got the battery like on the side of the camera.
You got it dangling in a baggie.
Hey,
In a baggie.
watch side. You should have like a Velcro strap or something.
Caden.
Is that your personal iPhone?
Yeah.
Huh.
It does the job.
Yeah.
We used to have an actual camera, but the person who owned the camera just took it with him. So.
Hey, you know, most OnlyFans models just use an iPhone 8 now, so I'm just fitting in.
Leave it in.
Yeah, well, interesting. Huh. Where'd you learn about that?
I went there. Back then, though, you know, we didn't have that stat. Oh, 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 oh. Oh! Hey, I forgot to turn the camera. It's okay. Yeah.
The last thing. Go, Oliver, go! Run, Jack, run!
And you had that, Oliver.
I should have been for it.
Should have been.
Oh, I mean,
It was biddable. It was biddable.
right here, right here. Yeah. Jesus.
Fine.
Maybe sideline for the camera.
Right!
Ryan, what are you doing, Ryan? Ryan!
Christina, high!
The snag. Oh.
Strike, strike! Seal, seal! Watch the strike,
You just gotta keep doing that and wait for the throw to be worse. That was
Because I did touch it and that made me so hard.
But it wasn't good.
keep running, run. No, he's no, they just got this needs to flatten out a little bit. And I wasn't filming.
Girls? Yeah, all the time.
I scared myself too.
Hey, look,
I
Dave.
myself when I'm looking at the reflection.
David, on you.
Oh wait, nope.
Good cut, David.
I'm so scared of it.
I'm scared of you.
Me too, I don't know.
Ellie, you.
Yeah.
Still away.
Our age.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, poaching.
First grade, she's like
actually playing.
children's education.
Win.
She's like a teacher.
Last time around 6.
Oh.
Daniel.
Really sucked, actually. I would, like, somebody on Montana would do a week, and I just I'd have to take a little break. The lungs were not ready to run.
I hate that feeling when you're like,
Oh, geez, wait, I thought of it.
when like it's hard to breathe, like you have a heart attack. Ugh.
Sean, good cut.
Sean, harder! Hey, Sean's poached! Sean's poached! Sean is poached!
Please take that picture.
Nice, Sean. All the way.
Sean! That's why we run!
Sean.
Sean, that's why we run!
It's not a score yet, Michael.
No story yet, no story yet. Sure. Now.
Oh wait.
Oh, yeah.
I need to drink some water.
Hey, Ellie. How are you doing?
Fine.
Good. You having fun?
Yeah, having a great time.
Is this your first tournament?
No, I went to Splinters.
Oh yeah. Well, right. This is your first real outdoor one.
Yeah.
How's the temperature and the wind feeling on your face?
Stay the way.
Good.
Anything else?
Julia.
When you're over here, you know how we yell you to go deep?
Yeah.
When you come back in, don't come back in the same way you came. Come back into the middle.
Okay.
So then you come into the
Sure.
like
Jack.
the idea of the deep cut.
Stay with him,
If they don't throw to you, is when you come in, you have that full perspective. So you come to where people aren't.
Okay.
It's like come in the middle, and like ideally the handler would want to throw to you because your guy was focused on not letting you go deep, so he's behind you now. So yeah, just when you go out, it's fine to do the rail sideways, like keeping it perfect, and then just come in at an angle to come into the middle too.
Someone come in!
And the whole point of that is space, so just get that to get your guy out of the way.
Hey, head zone!
And you'll get it. You'll start, that undercut will they'll throw to you. Well, yeah. If they're smart enough to see it. Brother.
See sexy Matt! See sexy Matt!
Cover, Lord. Get ready to cover.
Oh, he did a lefty!
No need.
Hey, another!
Not again, not again, not again. Oliver looking, Oliver looking.
I think you should do it again.
Big Trev. Trev came out of retirement for this.
Hey, Trev, what's menopause like? He's been playing longer than I have.
Like, it's not wrong. It's crazy to me.
I remember him from my first tournament. And he was old then.
Yep.
Collarbone feeling better?
Good enough. Only had like 4 times.
Oh, only.
Set it up! Set up end zone! I'd say 2 of them were my fault.
I was loving my stats from last weekend because it was just like trying to throw to everybody equally. And then that meant, you know, it didn't come back on me ever. Oh! Oh!
Oh, that guy wasn't crazy. He was just open.
Oh! Oh, it rolls!
Marianne! Well,
Round object. I think.
why if somebody grabs it?
I'm not an engineering major, okay? I'm not a virgin. I don't pay attention to shapes. Oh dear.
Hey!
Marianne, you're hot.
Marianne might need some help.
How you do your cuts generally, but the one that I really like doing is
I don't think anyone here is good enough to have a headset.
Marianne's cut for me was great.
They're shorter than they used to be. I played UM. Oh yeah, sorry, yeah.
Yeah, Carla!
I think you guys will be fine against Boise State.
Let's go! Yeah, sexy!
We were matching them, so. I've only got 10 of them.
Taunting the cam.
why can't we just take theirs?
It's not videoing
I mean,
the button.
Oh my god, guys.
What are you doing, man?
I do.
You didn't record this
I didn't know I was supposed to do that.
How long's it been?
That's the whole point. Lars is the only one that cares, right? Oh.
Just turn the knob. Just turn it. No, but like with this, you just turn it in and out. Yeah, but like that's too much.
Good throw.
Let's go!
Yeah!
Come on.
Colin!
Oh, get in there, Jake! Going on. He throws dot hammers.
All line, all line, all line. Strike, strike, strike. All line, all line, all line, all line! Looking, looking, looking!
Get Carla. That's a bad try. Come on, that's...
Oh, Trev!
Ryan, give her space. Yep.
Good D.
Good try, Matt.
Good, dude.
Julia. Good. Nate. Good, Nate. That was the right spot.
Hey, spread the stack out. You got Trevor.
Ryan. Matt. Yeah, Gary.
Would you want a big or a small? What group chat? Whose phone is this?
Lars's.
Lars, you have some explaining to do, Buster. Nice. Come on, guys.
Oh my.
Trevor. Very good hammer, Trevor. You know.
Please. Okay. Not a good father.
He's going with it. Thanks, Sally. Hey, who's here? Who's on mark? Good guys.
John, if you win a bowl.
Oh, James, you were close.
Hey, who was on 14?
Okay, go! Hit David! Nice cut, Sean. David, you're back. Come back. Hard in, David. Hard in. Yeah, you're open. You got it. Hey, look for it. Look shot. Look early. Nice cut, James. Great look. Yep, Ellie, you're open. Good strike. All the way out. Clear. Yep, great.
Right.
Oh yeah. Go, Ellie! Oh. Hey, but she went.
Completely unnecessary. He should have gotten that. David, you catch up. David, you're so hot. Oh, you. I didn't know that was possible. Let it talk.
I jumped and I was like, oh, that's so much space.
Oh my God.
That's okay. Hand on its back shots.
No, you're good.
Good. Chill.
No, you're good. I just want to make sure you were aware. If you don't throw.
Good.
Oh, she cornered.
All right, Alex has abandoned his post, so you get me.
Daniel, was that you? I was not bullied. I got sideline.
What's your name?
Julian,
Julian, I'm Christina.
nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Are you either like a coach or not?
Yeah,
Okay, that's it.
I just come out for tournaments though, because I live here, so
Oh, okay.
yeah,
I was gonna say like all the scrims I haven't seen you that we put on against
Yeah.
tournaments.
I'd be there if I could. That's out.
Like,
Oop, that was. I think.
How long have you been coaching?
Well, I graduated 2 Mays ago.
Sexy, sexy!
So I played with like half the team. Oh shit.
Do it again!
Rough. Alright, I'm back.
Daniel's on me. I'm trying to spread out because he's like all over. You guys got me closer. Or do you guys want me to stay there?
Maybe that's better.
I let him break me. That's what left it out. Oh no!
Okay. This leg's drifting. Let's go, David.
Look for a handle! Look at it! Yeah. Sean is close!
Look for that swing sooner!
Yeah, David.
Give him a dumb swing. Look, Sean! Nope. Don't turn your back like that.
Yeah, Sully.
One more. James! Look, James! Swing.
Good!
Nice, there we go. Now our offense works. Yeah, James are clogged. It might be David. That's a double cut. Look, James. Nope.
Hey, look, Caden, good! Hey, we need a cut right there off of that!
Let's go!
Hey, Allie!
Frankie, hard aim, run through! Hey, you got Caden? Someone go find me.
Oh. Ooh. It's really hard to watch what's going on while trying to track.
Come to Alex.
He's busy talking to the other tipple. Yeah.
Hey, man.
No, Timmy's not here. It's Fritz.
Fritz is injured too?
He rolled his ankle the first game.
Oh, that's so tough.
Yeah.
Frankie, you! Yep. Frankie up!
Cool.
We can say yes if we can play.
You should propose. Oh. You should propose mixed style. Be like. I mean, I'm sure the girls have a game at the time. Actually, no, the girls might be on a bye, right?
They're playing right now, but they might have a bye.
I'll go ask them. You want to take camera duty?
Swing. Nice, James in. That's it. Some swing in. Next cut. Great, Marianne. I was yelling at her. Oh, I said dumb swing cut in.
Noah!
Yes, David! Oh, but watch that line. No, David! David!
James, you're
He's
good.
cut.
James, you're good. David, you.
David, under! Oliver, under!
Ellie. James, it's you.
Marianne.
Help.
Yeah, James. Get ready. Right there. Good.
Yeah, Lars.
Good David.
Someone go! Noah, go!
David is
Up!
Recording? Yep. Look at that roll. No stop on the roll by Sean. Sean, who has 4 drops on the day.
Got the face a little bit.
How do I zoom out?
Just a little. Yeah.
His handler's down there. Hey, is there a zoom in, zoom out option? Or is this a...
There is. It's this thing.
Oh.
You got Caden?
David, you Look, Kaden with the disc. Marianne, good in cut. She has to run through that. Oh, good cut, Ellie. Good cut. Okay, Ellie, look, swing, look, swing, look, swing.
Chill, chill.
Turn around fully.
Look for Kaden.
Oh.
Panicked.
Panicked. Ellie needs to fully face one person.
Yeah, but
Okay, we're on D. This skin, I think we're forcing home. Frankie, you, Frankie, you. Good D, Frankie. That's your stat. Oh, Marianne pick up?
I got all the way up to about stall 10 last weekend.
Kaden with the disc. Deep option. Sean with the disc. David, clear. All the way, all the way. Kaden with the dump. Marianne swing, Marianne swing.
Good, Marianne. You still have Marianne if you want it. I think you should want it.
Yep, there we go.
King. David, you're out of there. Out.
Oh my God, the bobble. Hey, watch big, Kaden, you. Yep, look at that, dump strike. Swing again, don't let that continue.
Don, you're really hot.
James.
Up.
What did I say?
Sean, you're so bad at it.
So no one was recording, but Ryan just shanked it out the side here. So put that on the stat sheet.
It's good!
Oh, this is really close. Oh boy. Gratuitous. Aura farming.
Please tell me you caught that.
I did.
Okay. Oh, we got that too.
Well, it evens out. Your guys' slides are kind of on point.
That's you!
Clear.
Nice, Marianne.
Update on
Marianne,
footage.
Marianne. Okay,
Nice.
you're good.
Hey, Ben, active.
Sean, you.
Yeah, James, good.
Clear.
Sean.
James, lane.
Yep, nice. Oh, Billy.
James Peel.
Ben!
I didn't go talk to Ty. I talked to the girls.
James.
They have another 2 games,
Hey, good D. That's your stat, James. That's your stat.
but tomorrow they only play 1 game.
Really?
I think so.
Should be
That's
stacked
what they're
on
willing to do at this game tomorrow. If you want to say no to Ty, totally fine to say no to Ty. Just play the guys. They need to learn how to be less hurt.
Frankie, all the way in.
Oh, do you want me to go ask him about Julian? Do you want that deal?
There's no way. Well, I was.
Oh, throw that, Frankie.
There's no way we're letting him play.
I don't think he'd want that. I don't think he'd expect. I think he'd be okay with Julian.
I probably don't want that, but I'm just gonna talk to Julian anyway.
Not a good father!
Let's go, Aaron!
Good, Ryan.
Andrew,
Jack, that's you.
right.
No.
Yeah, he's 5'10".